I doing this one? Oh my god, I messed up.
What'd you do? Okay, so we just got back from lunch, and now we're gonna do a little baking with me.
Yeah, so we're gonna make these like chocolate chip brownie cookie
Right.
brownie things. So basically what we have is flour, brown sugar, granulated sugar, salt, baking soda, egg, butter, vanilla, that, and that. I'm gonna start by putting the flour, which we need 2 1/4 cups for. Annika, what is this?
Okay, this is the butter, and now I'm gonna put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds.
Okay, so I'm just gonna like, I don't know if you can see this, but pretty much I'm just like,
Smells like Asian food in there.
what? I don't eat Asian food.
Yeah, I wanted to get Chinese food the other day, and she wouldn't.
When did you want to get Chinese food? You said, you were like, oh, do you want to get Chinese food? And I was like,
Yeah,
exactly. I said, do you like Chinese food? And you were like, no.
I only said that because you didn't want to get it.
Oh, you fucking lie. You literally lied. So that is 2 1/4 cups of flour. That's kind of a lot, but like, whatever. Next we want to add baking soda.
Oh my gosh, that should not have been that hard, but it really was. Okay, now the butter's in the microwave.
Like, wait, am I doing this one? Oh my god, I messed up.
What'd you do?
You're supposed to put the dry ingredients in a separate bowl and mix the wet ones first.
Well, here, listen, not that serious.
Okay,
undo this. I'll get a big bowl.
Okay.
It's not that serious. It's not that serious.
Okay, go get a bowl. Do you know where they are?
Ow! I don't know where they are. Okay, now that we have that situated.
Okay, take that. Don't cook with us. This is so bad. Like,
I'm still watching this.
I'm gonna add salt now, which is 1 teaspoon to Annika's bowl. Do not pour that in there. What is that? That is not melted.
Do you
Go
need
back.
to be completely
Yes.
I gotta get the 2 eggs.
3/4 cup. What? 2 egg? Not yet.
Right here, 2 eggs.
Will you give me a spoon?
No.
Dang, it feels
Matthew
bad.
liked it.
Oh! It just popped! Go!
2 eggs in my hand.
Is it melted all the way?
It's bubbling.
But is it melted? Is it melted? I can't get this brown sugar out.
OMG.
We're not doing well. Don't trust us to cook. So,
I just thought it was funny that. Oh my gosh, it's literally sizzling.
do you see the steam that just came from that butter?
Huh?
Vanilla. What is the smallest amount of vanilla? Okay, so the finger is still not doing too well. And if anyone wanted an update on that, like, it's not good. My finger. It hurts, so. Okay, now we're gonna add the eggs. Wow, it's mixing.
Now I'm gonna wash my hands so I don't get salmonella.
Oh my god, that's the oven. Will you get the pan?
No. I'll stir this way you get the pan.
No.
Yes, because I don't know where your pans are.
Let me stir it!
You've done everything! Let me do it! Let me do it!
Now I'm just gonna take a spoon. Oh my god. And I'm just gonna kind of drop it in there. Boom! So we finished the batter. This is what it looks like. Oh, it looks kind of gooey. Liquidy.
Is that good?
No. Really? That's what you're worried about? Okay, so now I'm just gonna like take this bag of chocolate chips.
Why are we having both?
That's the secret. Don't tell anyone about that. Okay, so like I said,
That's a lot! Here's cup.
Okay, here's cup. That is not right! Did you spray it?
Yeah.
Where's the pan? Did you already put it in the oven? Oh.
Yes, I put the empty pan in the oven.
So now I'm gonna put Annika's gonna help me put the dough or is this dough, batter into the pan. How long do we bake them? Okay guys, so now we have our batter in the pan and we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven and cook for 23 minutes. I'm pretty sure I didn't do that. Okay, so here's our brownies.
Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, then you deserve an award.
So I hope you guys enjoyed cooking with us. Subscribe and like this video and comment other videos you'd like to see from us. And yeah, peace.